Okay, we're on our next topic, topic F, the least common multiple. This first video is just about the least common multiple. We've got 3 problems. First problem, find the least common multiple of 24 and 30. There's a couple ways of doing it. One way of doing it would be to write down the multiples of 24. So 24, 48, add 24, what would it get? 72, 96, 120. Write down all the multiples of 30, 30, 60, 90, 120. And find the least common multiple that way. So that's one method. I'll show you a different method in these problems. All right. I'm not going to show you how to do it with prime factorization. And now I'm finding the least common multiple. I'm going to say something else. Least means greatest. Okay. Just like before, remember we said greatest means least for the greatest common divisor. All right. So what I'm going to do is find the prime factorization of this, the prime factorization of this, and then apply my least is greatest. So 84, that's a 2 and a 42. 42, that's a 2 and a 21. 21, that's a 3 and a 7. So I've got 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. For 270, I'll just go 27 by 10. 27 I know is 3 by 3 by 3. 10 I know is 2 by 5. So I'll write that one as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. And then to find the least common multiple, again, least means greatest. I'm going to look at each different number and report the greatest number of factors I see. So we'll do it right here. So the LCM. I see 2 2s and I see 1 2. I'm going to report 2 2s. I see 1 3. I see 3 3s. I'm going to report 3 3s. I'll just go in order. I see 1 5. I see no 5s. I'll report 1 5. I see 1 7. No 7s. I'll report 1 7. Okay, so now I've got to multiply that out. Let's see what we've got here. So we've got a 4 and a 27 and a 35. All right, so I'll leave that up to you. I just want to save time and not make the video be too long. So whatever 4 times 27 times 35, that would be the least common multiple. All right, and finally, to find the least common multiple of 3 numbers, again, it's the same thing. So 9 is 3 by 3. 15 is 3 by 5. 24 is 3 times 8, which is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. And what I'm going to do now is go through each of the 3 numbers. And again, remember, least means greatest. So I've got 3 2s, no 2s, no 2s, report 3 2s. 2 3s, 1 3, 1 3, report 2 3s. 1 5, no 5s, no 5s, report 1 5. All right, so for this one, that's a 10, that's a 6, that's a 6. So 6 times 6 is 36, 36 times 10 is 360. I could have gotten a 10, well, I'll just leave that problem for you. Okay, and there you have it, how to find the least common multiple of 2 or 3 or more numbers.